Well, it's a Saturday morning. What's even open? There's nothing to do.
Servo's open. You can get pie or something.
No, we could get a pie. Bunnings is open.
Oh, true.
And I think, right, so I saw this the other day. So Bunnings actually sell turbos. What? Look at that. That's a turbo right there.
Oh.
I reckon we get one. They're saying here, so 2 to 3 day delivery, Amazon, 15-second delivery through Amazon.
Zoom is in...
Yeah, Amazon, like Zoom. Well, I mean, I've just ordered it, so we'll see.
What are you going to do with a Bunnings turbo?
Oh, it's already been 10 seconds and there's no one even here. Well, I reckon we turbo the BA Falcon.
We're just doing a service on it though.
Yeah, but, I mean, as if we wouldn't, right? Hey, someone's actually here.
Hello?
Amazon?
I got a delivery for Ori.
Ori? Amazon, Bunnings.
Sausage.
But
Have a good day, sir.
weird. Hello and welcome back to another episode. This week we're
Hey, mate, sorry I'm late.
Bro, I'm in the middle of a clip. What the
Where's the Magna?
Anyway, I don't want to talk about that damn car. Tell you what, no.
Okay, so what are we doing then?
The other way. We are currently turboing a BA Falcon with a Bunnings turbo. Do you guys believe it? I don't believe it, but it did happen. We got delivery through Amazon. It was kind of sketchy. I don't know who the dude was, a bit Chinese, but anyway. So we actually bought this off Bunnings. I almost didn't believe that they sold turbos, but actually they do. So I'll even show you proof here on the screen that I actually bought this through Bunnings Marketplace. Now, I think this is going to be a bit small. Bubba, if you're just going to stand there, actually come and help. Like, I'm trying to get this done before the sausage sizzle ends. Here you go. You take that.
I'll help you if you actually supply me with a sausage and not a Bunnings sausage. Let's make that clear.
I don't know if there's money in the budget for that. Now, if we can just... Yep, done.
How are we going to do this? High mount, low mount, your mount?
I don't know. I have zero
How many
plans.
people have put a turbo at the very front of it? Like, wouldn't that look cool? Like a Pro Charger.
Okay. We're getting a bit carried away here. I reckon we try and get this done before the sausage sizzle ends this afternoon. 1 day turbo build. Can we do it? I mean, we've got Bubba. He's actually a drag, so this might actually be more of a challenge than I thought. But
Are you serious?
yeah, 1 day build. I reckon right there, we just J-pipe it, Bunnings Turbo BA Falcon. We're eating Snags this afternoon. Go team.
What could possibly go wrong?
Everything.
Far out. Remember the Magna? Oi. Quickly, this is what we have to install today. We've got piping, we've got fittings, we've got map sensors, you name it. Our friends down at High Tech helped us out today. High Tech exhaust just around the corner with some bends, thank God. But can we just look at something? Look at this turbo. The brand is Turbone. What could possibly go wrong? I still think we could. But anyway, guys, we have everything. We're going to make this happen in 1 day. I feel like he could do it. The way I'm going to watch him do it is going to be amazing. Guys, get into it.
Yeah, one of those, and just back up.
So just like that.
Yeah, none of that fits.
Yeah,
Okay.
Oh, like a cock in a sock.
So we need to go back up there and past the column. So it's going to be a tight fit, but a welder like yourself,
Yeah.
I think we're squared away. So,
Yeah, as you can see, that can work. That reminds me of my ex, actually. Anyway, all right. Yeah.
okay, so yeah, back up in there, and then choo-choo-choo noises,
Watch it happen, guys.
I think.
Just through your head, do you just like go home and go, hey, I feel like just going to Bunnings, getting a bloody turbo and put it on the car. Is that like...
I mean, the moment I saw that they sold them, we had to try it. Like, who else is out here doing this sort of content? You know what I'm saying?
Good point. Have you ever heard of Netflix? Like...
Give the power to the people, you know what I'm saying? Put the power back in the people's hands.
Oh my God.
Cheap China turbones is what this channel's founded on.
Yeah, we're trying to help the tariff, you know, all those bloody taxes. We're showing them we know better. All right, so I decided that we are going to, that still doesn't really bloody work, but we can manipulate that. So we're going to just put the bend straight up here, but it hits everything. And because we've got to, you know, suit to regulations, you need a cat these days when you turbo anything. So we decided that's not going to friggin' work. All right, cut. Shit. The next time you see this will be perfect.
Well, Ford Australia have actually been pretty kind, and they've given us an exact spot here for a turbo drain. I'm not sure if they had this in mind, but I think they probably did want a turbone. So literally just grab any random drill bit out of the box and just punch one through the sump. So here goes nothing, Bubs.
Oh, yeah.
And just like that, we've got a turbo oil drain. That took like 10 seconds or less. That was so easy.
It's your normal routine.
Right, so literally, it's as simple as that. So we've just got to tap 2, I think they're M8 holes in the sump. So I'll do that while Bubba's destroying the rest of the exhaust and drill out that hole a little bit bigger. It's not that big of a job. So we should actually have a chance of getting sausages this afternoon. I try to say that quietly because if Bubba hears me talk about food, it's over.
What am I doing, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. So I'm making it so we can fold it over, we have something to weld to so it can leak in every single hole. Hey, Jory, how is your mum?
Don't talk about my mum like that.
No.
More mum and Magna chat. You're off the channel. That's strike number 3, honestly.
So what we're doing here, we're going to fold it over, close it so we have something to weld to.
How is your dad, by the way?
Yeah, lovely bloke.
Yeah, so if you could just like weld that on.
Mate, watch this.
And then we've just got to shorten it and make it all different and then fit it to the car and then turbone.
Have you got silicon? Just, nah. We're going to need silicon to make this work.
Bubba, can you keep it down? We're trying to produce a film here, mate. This is a film set.
Sorry, mate.
You cannot destroy an exhaust.
I'm just bashing like a sorry.
Painful memories.
What's that, stepchild? No, redheaded stepchild. You can't say that, can you?
No, not on film.
Okay, I won't say that.
Yeah,
then.
don't say that, okay. So I'm just trying to drill out the sump. That wasn't meant to go through. Cut that out.
So you want to know when you stop drilling? When it hits the crank.
I just went through the sump. I'm not meant to do that. Okay, cut that out. Editor's note, don't use this footage. And just like that, we've drilled our pilot holes to go through and tap that turbo oil drain.
Oh, didn't see you there. Sorry, guys. So as you can see, I've done my thing. That goes there. That will go there, and that will. Perfect. And this has been done. That doesn't fit, but I'll just fucking knock the shit out of it. It will fit, guys. This is going to work. Unlike the Magna.
This is all taking way too long. The viewers don't care. They want to see a turbone on the car. I think we just time-lapse through this, okay?
All right, let's make it happen.
Tell me what you really like. Baby, I can take my time. We don't ever have to fight. Just take it step by step. I can see it in your eyes, cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake and the heat between your legs. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run, I know what you've been through. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, babe. You are not the single type, so baby, this the perfect time. I'm just trying to get you high. much. You don't need a lonely night, so baby I can make it right. You just gotta let me try to give you what you want. You've been scared of love and what it did to you. You don't have to run, I know what you've been through. Just a simple touch and it can set you free. We don't have to rush when you're alone with me. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming, I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming.
Bubba, is it gonna work?
That's a really good question. Do you think it's going to work? Can I phone a friend? All right, we've been extremely busy. What have we done so far, actually?
I mean, from like 7 a.m. to midday, we've kind of done a lot, to be honest. It's about lunchtime, and look at the magnificence. Like,
Look, the welding could, it's good. We're ready to install this. What have you done with the ECU?
well, we just had Bill from Hooten's Harnesses actually give us a tune for this thing, so it's going to run flawlessly, no doubt, because Bill absolutely knows his stuff. Like, there's no one better in the game for that sort of stuff. I think it's time we put the remainder of the parts on. So we need to put in a map sensor, we need an FPR, just a couple like little things.
That fuel rig's going to be a pain in the bum, but
Yeah, so that you can do that one. And now we've finished all the welding. We've gone out and bought a welding helmet, so Bubba no longer gets flash, but we don't really need to use it anymore.
we've both got welders flash, but that's all right. We are that close for making this bad boy run. I mean, look, it's not about quality, it's about making it happen. And that's what we're about to do. Watch this.
So it's been a couple of hours, and I mean, we've been busy actually. Like, we've actually got a lot done. Yeah, Bubba's actually dirty for the first time in
Fell
his
over.
life. I don't know when that happened. I never saw you working.
You're in the toilet, that's why.
So I think we're about to do, for the first time ever, is to fire up a Bunnings turbo. This is a pretty exciting moment. This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Are you guys ready for this or what?
No idea if it's going to work, but you know, only one way to find out, right?
There's always hope.
Hit the key, mate.
Kick her in the guts. All right, here we go.
We left this disconnected, so we blow all the shit out of the
By the way, where's the keys for it?
We'll be right back. Oh.
Oh God, it's backwards.
Oh. Hang on. Our oil feed was just hitting the belt.
But when I turn the key off, it goes to start.
Oh yeah, it does that.
Cool.
Yeah, we got it really cheap.
All right, here we go. Mate, just like that.
I don't feel any wind.
Yeah. Probably should check for oil leaks, but
Sounds awful.
oh, I love it. We did it.
So we've got to make a dump, and oh, what's that? It's making noises. We've got to make a dump pipe, connect the cold side and the screaming pipe, and then
Let's drive to Bunnings.
yeah, let's go to Bunnings and get ourselves a sausage. Actually achieved greatness here. We didn't really pick up the camera this afternoon because we're trying to make that sausage sizzle, although I think, look, fingers crossed they're still cooking, but I think we've left our run a little bit too late. So it's time for me to actually pass the physical Bubba Cup to you. You enjoy that, mate. You've actually earned it this afternoon. I'll tell you what, we've made magic happen here today. So I think we still go to Bunnings just in case.
You promised me a sausage in my mouth and I want one.
There's a category for that, I think. Maybe later we'll
How is your dad?
He's doing great.
Let's make it happen. Let's go to Bunnings anyway. Well, this thing is going to be absolutely amazing. Can't wait for it. Game on.
There's only one thing for it, and that's to use our private road to go to Bunnings and end this video the right way. I think it's only fitting we go back to the scene that started all this.
Oh, shit. All right, so first drive. Oh, hear that bad boy? And
and the dose, that's got to bring a smile to your face after a long day, doesn't it? 1 day turbo build. Listen to that. Bunnings made that happen. This is the stupidest car.
And that is not just any turbo, that's turbone. Turbone. Let's face it, it's no Magna.
Magna wouldn't run this far.
We tried, okay? We got a fully sick boost gauge, which you won't be able to see, which we stole off a car in the car park of KFC.
That's pretty much all there is to report. The Hooten's tune's going fantastic. This thing actually just kind of works. It's probably a little bit loud for day-to-day traffic, but look, you know, this once I don't think they'll care.
Well, as if they're going to pull us over. Like, seriously.
What reasoning would they have to pull us over?
They don't. I mean, really? We've got a Bunnings turbo. Turbone. Oh my god, this should be the best Uber car ever.
Turbone power,
Turbone
baby.
Power.
This is ridiculous. Who's doing this? What other channel can you see this kind of content? This is subscribe down below. This is so stupid. What are we doing?
You know, like, we're those kind of guys where it's like, you know what, who would do... We're those people. Like, as in, did you hear? We're those people. Have you seen my wallet? I'm that person.
If they have any silly recommendations, leave them in the comment section down below. We're probably the stupid guys that are trying.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. So, for all you viewers out there, we just passed a copper. So, it's okay, because I'm feeling very confident that we're going to be okay. Jory right now is shitting himself.
Bubba, I'm stressing real bad, eh? Can I, like, turn the car off? Will that make it quiet?
No, don't do that. You know why? Because we're fine. Because this has a Bunnings turbone on it, and we've got nothing to worry about. Oh, fuck, I'm so stressed right now. I hope we're going to be okay.
Well, I can see, we can see the finish line. Will we make it?
That is the question. We can see Bunnings. The cops are currently a few cars behind, and lucky we're taking it really bloody easy, so we've got nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I wasn't doing anything stupid at the time.
No.
Just A to B.
We are so close to Bunnings, guys. I'd be very upset for Jory if we did get pulled over, because then we'd have to explain to the cops how amazing we are, and, you know, we did this in 1 day, and...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Well, as if they're going to pull us over. Like, seriously.
What reasoning would they have to pull us over?
What we're hoping is the cops go in front, and they have. So we are good. I'm feeling very, very confident. Look at the confidence. No, you're right, mate. Don't stress. We're so close. We're so close to Bunnings, guys. We are going to make this. Guys, we made the Bunnings. I'm not happy that we didn't get a sausage. I'll get a sausage somewhere else. How is your dad? Guys, we made it, and have a look at this bad boy. Turbone. It made it to Bunnings. I want to say a big thank you to everyone, including Jory. You are amazing. We did it.
No, you're amazing. Big thank you to Bill Hooten and Hooten's Harnesses for the tune, Bunnings for the turbo. Look, I mean, we've made magic happen here today, Bubba, so...
We have, but what's next? Quickly, what are we doing now?
I want to see it do a drag pass.
Why don't we put meth on it? Water meth. Meth is bad, but water and meth is acceptable.
Watch your space.
Game on, guys. Yeah!